So we're going to talk about the level of service management, which is a great new feature here in the December 2015 release. So what this is operators and patrons can now define a level of service as part of a resource sharing request. So this means that the new service helps the library supply more granular services to the patrons, adding level of service considerations to the request. For example, a patron may mark a request for various levels of rush delivery. Levels of service are also included in the lender's print slip XML, the lending print slip report, and the lender's email notification XML. So let's set up the levels of service first. What we need to do to configure the level of service is to go into the Alma menu and under Fulfillment Configuration, we'll click on it here. And under General, click on Other Settings to open the mapping table. We have to find the parameter RS display level of service. We can do that by doing Control F and putting in RS underscore display level of service. There it is. The value determines whether the level of service is available on the Primo request form or not. So let's customize it and enter the parameter of true. Customize true and save. Great. Now let's access the level of service configuration page. We'll do that by going to the Fulfillment Configuration menu, where we already happen to be, and clicking on Levels of Service. You can enable or disable the levels, and you can change the descriptions and order of the rows. Click Save when you're done. You can modify the rules as follows. Access the Rota Assignment Rules page under the Alma menu, clicking in the Fulfillment Configuration menu once again. But now we're going to go to Rota Assignment Rules. We'll click on Add Rule, give it a sample name, and a description. And now we can use an input parameter as level of service. If you want to choose one value, click equal and choose the value that you'd like. If you want to select more than one value, make sure your operator is in list and then check off the various options that you would like to add and click Add Parameter. You can also change the shipping cost lender rules. And this you can do by going into the Resource Configuration menu and under Resource Sharing, clicking on Shipping Cost Lender Rules. Click Add Rule and follow the same instructions. The same goes for Shipping Cost Borrower rules. The levels of service now shows up as well when making a borrowing request. Enter the Alma menu and open a borrowing request. You now can choose the level of service. We hope you enjoy using this new and great feature.